Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Hub, where learning English feels like a friendly chat over coffee. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom.
Today's lesson is special because it's not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about you and how you can connect with others in English.
That's right. We're talking about introductions and making friends, one of the most useful and beautiful parts of any language.
Exactly. Think about it. Every friendship starts with a simple, "Hi, what's your name?" or "Where are you from?" But for many English learners, that first sentence feels scary.
Yes, they worry about pronunciation or grammar and forget that making friends is not about being perfect. It's about being real.
Beautifully said, Tom. So today, we'll show you how to start small, speak naturally, and feel confident when you meet new people in English.
All right, Sarah, let's make this real. Imagine we meet for the first time. What do you say?
I'd say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you."
And I'd answer, "Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you too."
Simple, natural, and friendly. See, listeners, you don't need long sentences. You just need warmth in your voice and a smile on your face.
Exactly. Let's give our listeners a few more examples. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit Canada.
See, a few short lines can start a real conversation.
Right. You can also ask, what do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I work in a shop.
I teach English. Every answer opens the door to another question. That's how friendship grows, one sentence at a time.
Emily, do you remember the first time you tried to make friends in another language? Oh, yes, I was in Spain. I knew only a few words. I said, "Hola, me llamo Sarah," and smiled. The person smiled back and helped me speak more. That moment taught me kindness is stronger than mistakes.
That's such a lovely story. For me, it was in Japan. I tried to order coffee in Japanese, and the waiter corrected me, gently. Then we started talking. We're still friends.
See, listeners, when you try, people appreciate it. Mistakes don't push people away. Silence does.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hi, my name is... I'm from... I live in... I like... I work as...
Great. Those 5 sentences are the foundation of your English identity. They help you tell your story.
Yes. And you can add feelings too. I love my city. I enjoy meeting new people. I'm happy to be here. Those small emotional words make your English sound alive.
Tom, when you meet new people, what do you like to talk about first?
Usually hobbies. They're safe and fun. I say, I love music. I play guitar. That often starts a great chat.
That's true. People connect through hobbies. I usually talk about travel. I love asking, "Have you ever been to another country?"
Nice. You can also ask, what's your favorite food? What do you like to do on weekends? Simple, friendly questions that make others smile.
And here's something important. You don't need to speak fast. Speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. English is not a race. It's a bridge.
Beautiful metaphor, Sarah.
Let's show our listeners a mini role play. Ready?
Sure.
Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from the UK. And you?
I'm from the US. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach online.
That's cool. I teach too. I love helping people learn English.
Me too. Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, always.
Perfect. We can be friends.
That's all it takes. A few real sentences, a little laughter, and a kind tone.
Exactly. That's real English, not from textbooks, but from life. Listeners, let's make this practical. Repeat with us. I'm a student. I'm from Brazil. I like cooking. I love traveling. I enjoy reading.
These are sentences you can use today, right now.
Yes, and you can combine them. I'm a student from Brazil. I love traveling. I work in a cafe, and I like cooking. That's how your English story grows, one sentence at a time.
Tom, what advice would you give to shy learners who feel afraid to talk?
I'd say start small. One sentence a day. Even hi is a victory. Speak to your mirror, record yourself, talk to a friend. Your voice matters.
That's beautiful. I'd add, don't wait for confidence to speak. Speaking builds confidence.
Exactly. Confidence comes after you start, not before.
And listeners, remember, when you introduce yourself, you're not just sharing facts, you're sharing you. People want to know you, not your grammar.
Yes, the smile, the effort, the kindness, that's what people remember. So, here's your challenge for today. Find someone, a friend, classmate, or even a stranger online, and introduce yourself in English. Say, "Hi, I'm," your name. "I'm from," your country. "I like," something you love. That's your step towards real communication.
And if you want to practice more, write your self-introduction in the comments. We'd love to read it, and maybe even share it in our next video. Because when you share, you inspire others. And when you speak, you grow. So keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, English is not just a language, it's a way to connect hearts. Thank you all for joining us today on Easy English Hub. We're proud of you. Every word, every try, every smile. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep speaking your story. Bye, everyone.